Hello, everybody. We have a couple of new campaigns that you can build. It is called Link in Bio. So these pages are really great for Instagram and TikTok. As you know, when you post to Instagram or TikTok, they don't really let you put clickable links within the social posts. So you have to tell everybody to go to your bio and click on the link there in order to accomplish something. Either go to your website, your blog, any kind of a secondary call to action, all of that stuff lives in your LinkedIn bio page. So that one link is really precious, and now you have a way to maximize it using a campaign within Socialmonials. That's really easy to build. We actually have two different templates that we provide you guys with. This is an individual template, and this one is more of a company template. They're very similar, as you can see, but they do accomplish different things. So for example, and by the way, there is a full tutorial on how to do this. I'm going to link that up in the video, or if you're seeing this on social, you'll see a link to the tutorial in that social post as well. But basically, the way it works is you're going to get a section up at top where it's going to tell you or tell the person that's visiting what you're all about. Okay, whatever image you want to use. And this is really easy to modify the text. So you're going to want to give them a quick bio about what you are all about. Next section is going to be a primary call to action. So this is going to be the entry point to your funnel. Which link is going to make you the most money? That is going to be your primary call to action. And of course, you can change the hover text. You can change or the hover over color. You can change the text, you can change the color of the button, the shape and size of the button. All of that is in the tutorial. Next is your secondary call to action section. This is going to allow you to put affiliate links, things like that, things that you're going to be discussing in your videos. So think through to the next month. What are you likely to talk about in your videos that you might say, hey, go check it out, links in bio. You're going to want to include all of those links in your bio page. That way you've got all of those linked up, and once they see the video and they're all excited about whatever you're talking about they can go to your bio and very quickly find what it is you're talking about. So for this particular influencer, she also is a solopreneur who does some Amazon affiliate work. So she did some videos about these herb scissors, the olive oil sprayer, and some other things on Amazon. And she decided to link up these affiliate links in Amazon to monetize some of her traffic. So you can add additional buttons. There's unlimited buttons you can add. You can remove some of these, change the text, change the links, and I show you how to do that in the tutorial. The next section is your follow me links. So if they're following you on TikTok or Instagram, you want them to connect with you on your other social channels. And the best way to do that is to just link it up. So we have a follow me section. Of course, you could change this to my socials or whatever text you want to use for this. We'll call it a tertiary call to action because this is kind of your third set of asks. You really want these people, if they're really into your content, to connect with you on all these other platforms for so many reasons. TikTok might get banned, so you need people to connect with you on your other channels. Other channels have different visuals, like your Google business profile, for example. It's really important for local SEO. There's just different reasons why you would want people to connect with you on these different channels. And in the tutorial, we will show you how to remove any of these that you don't want to be included, how to link these up to your actual profile. So when they click on YouTube, it goes to your channel, and that is it. So you guys, I hope you enjoy this. I know this was highly requested. So to really, really quickly, this is covered in detail in the tutorial, but where you will find these is under Add New within Campaigns. And we actually put them way up here just because they're new. We wanted to feature them. So the link in bio for a company is here. The link in bio for an individual is here. But be sure to check out the full tutorial. Thanks a lot.